I'm going to show you my first-person shooter and my flight simulator. They're done all the way from scratch, all the way down to bare metal. I did myself. I don't use a GPU. This is using 6 cores to render. Looks kind of like shit, but anyway. Now here's my first-person shooter. Let's go to here's my first-person shooter. This is the source code. It has graphics in my source code. There's the map, and here's some 3D graphics. I wrote my own compiler and graphics library, and look at this. There's a theta. You can use 8-bit characters instead of 7-bit. That was the stupidest thing, whoever thought of 7-bit ASCII instead of 8-bit. Anyway, so here's what it looks like, my first-person shooter. This is 1 core, not... I could use other cores, but that's a dilemma. What do you do with other cores if you use them? What do you do? Like, I could have 8 times as much stuff. The only problem is, what if they're not available? How do you degrade your rendering or whatever? Anyway, so that's that.